Can you imagine living with only half your brain? That sounds impossible, right? But here's the incredible part. Humans can not only survive, but thrive after losing half of the brain. In this video, we dive deep into the science of hemispherectomy, a radical surgery where one hemisphere of the brain is removed to treat severe epilepsy or injury. How can someone function with only half a brain? When one half of the brain is removed, the remaining hemisphere undergoes a process called neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Over time, the intact hemisphere compensates for the lost one, taking over motor, sensory, and even cognitive functions. Younger patients often recover much more effectively than adults. This is because children's brains are still developing, making them far more adaptable. For instance, if the left hemisphere, which controls language, is removed, a child's right hemisphere can sometimes take over these tasks. Adults, when capable of some recovery, typically experience more limitations since their neural pathways are more established. What happens to our memory and emotions? Many patients retain their long-term memory and emotional capacity after the procedure. Emotional regulation, like memory, seems to involve complex interactions across the whole brain, and the hemispherectomy does not entirely disrupt this process. However, short-term memory and certain fine motor skills might be affected, depending on the hemisphere that was removed. After the surgery, some patients experience weakness or paralysis on one side of the body. However, with intensive physical therapy, the brain can often retrain unaffected side to compensate. This allows many people to regain significant control over movement. The motor cortex, which governs movement, shows amazing flexibility in rewiring itself post-surgery. This surgery phenomenon has opened doors for new neurological treatments. Scientists are now studying how the principles of brain plasticity could apply to stroke recovery, traumatic brain injuries, and even degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Understanding how the brain compensates after hemispherectomy is helping researchers design better rehabilitation strategies and therapies. The fact that someone can live with only half a brain not only challenges our understanding of neuroscience, but also shows the power of the human body to heal and adapt. The brain's ability to reorganize and retrain itself offers hope for future medical breakthroughs in treating brain disorders and injuries. If you like fun facts like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the nature and human. Don't forget to comment below if you learned something new. See you in the next video.